Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming to you live from a tropical paradise. Now, guys, if you're new to my channel, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe, and also leave some comments below, guys. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Guys, today's video, I'm going to be talking about crypto wisdom and help you guys grow a small account and the things that you need to do to really step up your game and stop struggling. I know a lot of people right now, they try this and they're struggling and they're not growing the way that they want. Well, guys, I made over $1 million in crypto in my 7 years. And I want to share this with you that I wrote on my post today, okay? So I put, over my crypto career, I've made over 7 figures from trading and meme coins with this strategy, okay? Now, if you have under $1,000, you should just be going for 2 to 3x flips with the moon bag, with no moon bag, okay? If you have 10K to 50K, you do not ape into low cap meme coins any longer. You're basically just going for size, low risk bets, bigger meme coins, okay? If you have 100K to 1 million, you should be sizing into memes going for a 3 to 5x max. Do not hold for the moon because memes are already too big and the X's are much harder to come by. And if you have over $1 million, it's stable. Most of your portfolio should be in BTC, XMR, ETH, and Solana. Guys, I just told everyone in my Katana Strike, I said, you guys really need to be loading up on XMR. It's basically like Bitcoin 2.0, but it's way, way better because it's private, right? Nobody can track it or trace it. It's completely invisible. Yeah, it's really powerful. Okay, now some of these quotes that I got from different accounts that are really important that are going to help you guys. Okay, this is one that I really liked. This is from Gordon Gecko. I don't really like a lot of the stuff that he says. He just shows like a lot of coins, like these like really scammy coins. I wouldn't recommend aping at all what he's saying, but he does share some wisdom. I really like this. He says, "Crypto doesn't reward the most educated, the hardest workers, the best intentions. It rewards early positioning, conviction under pressure, the ability to hold when everyone sells." Okay, you either understand this or you stay broke. There is no middle ground. So guys, in Katana Strike, I'm helping you guys get into these coins very, very early, and then I'm sharing with you my thoughts, on my feed, and inside of Katana Strike of why I'm so convicted, right? So then conviction equals holding even under pressure when there's FUD, the ability to hold when everyone sells. Okay, if anyone would have got into, Black Whale with me in my system, you guys could have made, even 1 million coins, you would have made $8,000 or more, okay? That's just one play as an example, okay? And then this one right here, this was another really good one, okay? It's already January, I think it's January 15th, January 16th already. So basically the first 90 days of this year are the most important of your life because the first 3 months of 2026 is going to dictate the rest of 2026, okay? So if you spend the next 3 months trying to, wing it and try to figure this all out on your own, for free and thinking, oh, I got it cracked and I'm going to figure it out. It's not happening, guys. It's not happening. Because when you learn crypto trading and meme coin trading, guys, the mistakes that you make, you're paying with money, okay? Every single mistake that you make, you're paying with money, okay? So if you want a shortcut to success and connect the dots much faster, it would be in your best interest to click the link below if you're struggling and fill out the form to see if I could even help you, okay? Some people are beyond help. Some people can be helped, okay? And this is another thing too. I'm reading this book right now, and this is similar to like what I'm trying to explain to you guys, okay? Like everyone wants these outsized returns with meme coins, right? Obviously, you're gonna get more than a 2x once you start growing your account, okay? Outsized returns often come from betting against conventional wisdom, and conventional wisdom is usually right. Given a 10% chance of a 100 times payoff, you should take the bet every time, but you're still going to be wrong 9 times out of 10. Okay, we all know that if you swing for the fences, you're going to strike out a lot, but you're also going to hit some home runs, okay? And in crypto, every once in a while, when you step up to the plate, you can score 1,000x runs, right? And I showed you guys that on my Katana Strike on the webpage at the bottom. I mean, 1,000x's aren't happening every day, but they do happen, right? So you can see like right here, Franklin, that was a 1,342x, but typically I would say like 100x, right? But I mean, guys, if you're in my system and you have my training, it's not going to be hard to hit a 2x and scale your account, right? It's really easy to get a 2x, especially when you're early. So I hope you guys got some value out of today's video. I see a lot of people struggling and they just don't have a good system. They don't know what they're doing. But check all the links below, guys. I'm here to help you guys, and if you want to see some of my previous students that I've helped change their lives, you can see in the Discord from previous trainings that I have done, help them, make life-changing income with this stuff, okay? So I pride myself on been doing this for a very long time. you know, and like I said, if you're struggling, check the link below, guys. I can really help you step up your game, and I look forward to working with you. I'll see you at the top. Peace.